You asked, we listened. Today we're adding shot placement from Laser Academy into your MantisX app. Every shot tells a story, how you moved, where you hit, and how to improve. For the first time ever, the story comes together in one app. In summary, MantisX now shows Laser Academy shot placement in the MantisX app. Meanwhile, Laser Academy users get coaching and feedback from the Mantis algorithms. Today, we'll walk through the MantisX app side, how to set up and use shot placement and training, what the new screens show, and why it makes your training faster and more effective. Update your MantisX Rifle Pistol app to the latest version in the App Store or Google Play. The best part is that the app update is free. Confirm that you have our compatible hardware. You will need 3 components to make our integration work: your MantisX sensor, the laser, and our targets. You can either purchase the Laser Academy, which has all the components, or purchase a Titan X or Blackbeard X with our compatible smart targets. Once you have all the necessary tools, the setup is easy. Mount your sensor to your firearm and set up your targets at the desired distance. Remember, the app is free, but you'll need the laser and the smart target hardware to get the full integration experience. Each drill now has a camera icon. Orient the phone towards the target and look for the blue outline to show that the app has registered the target. Similar to Laser Academy, on the camera tab, you can see where each shot landed on the target along with its associated score and split time. Select any shot to highlight it on the targets or hit the play button to see a continuous playthrough. Identify any shots you want to take a closer look at and swipe to the summary tab to check out that trigger press score. Tap that same shot to go to the trace view where you can see the trace of the muzzle and the point of impact on the target. Don't forget to turn on the segment and match your target distance in the app to your actual target distance. Why is this integration so awesome? Shooters get shot placement and coaching in one app. To recap, you now get laser style shot placement inside your MantisX session, MantisX coaching and movement aligned with each shot, and session summaries that translate directly into drills you can practice. It's the bridge between technique and outcome. Get the free update today. Gear up, pair up, and train with shot placement and coaching together. Ready to see your results?